Okay, so hi, you probably clicked that link or you scanned that QR code. My name is Jay.
And I'm David.
And let's talk about corporate massage. The first and big benefits of this program, because you invest the money in your team and it's tax deductible. I think this is the best benefits. When you buy that coffee or donuts, it's not tax deductible, but the Life RX, it is, right?
Exactly. The key thing is this. LifeRx Wellness goes to your company. They assess it quickly why you're having the problems that you have in your back, in your hips. You're sitting too long, you stand up, and your back feels stiff. Your arms and shoulders, your wrists are starting to hurt over time. Well, this bleeds over into your personal life too. So what we do is we do treatment for the things that you really want fixed. It's not like we're really fixing it, but we're going in there and loosening up all the muscles and all the things that are going to help you in your life.
Yeah, and it's gonna increase that boost this body kind of resistance, get you a little bit more less pain free, more mobility, less stiffness, and guess what, you're gonna less suffer, create more productivity, get some sparking idea, because when I'm in pain I can't create anything.
Exactly.
When I feel great, like I did the stretches this morning, I feel great, I got this boom great idea. Why would just make this video about corporate massage and tell the people how truly can boost morale and productivity in your team. So don't wait, because trust me, 80% of people sitting more than 6 hours a day, they start suffering from the lower back pain or neck pain because they sit in slouch forward. That glutes muscles become weaker, that neck, you losing that postural, and they're always going to be in pain. If you don't care about your workers, yeah, just turn this video off and never give us a call. But if you do, if you want to be number one on the market, great team, everyone, like, how are we going to say that? Healthy and fit, smile, this is us. We can also support you with our channel when we show the exercise, stretches, and we've been working with many companies in Los Angeles. If you want to be one of those company, give us a call, text us, or just book online, and we'd be glad to help you.
Yep. Bye.
Later.